welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya and I'm so happy to have you here. So in today's video I really want to talk about monthly empties. Once again, my last video was really loved, so I thought of doing another video like this. And before we start this video, I do want to put it out there that once again we are in the festive season right now. It's all glam and glitter, it's fun and glam and all of that stuff. But I do want to talk about this one product which I think is so great for prepping for this festive season, because Diwali is coming right ahead, Navratri is coming right ahead, Durga Puja is coming right ahead, and I think by the time this video will be out, Durga Puja will be already going on. I think this is actually the worst time to get a tan on your face, and I have something that can actually help get rid of that tan. Now, I was genuinely not expecting, like I have tried different sort of de-tanning products and all sorts of homemade mixes and stuff, but I never really liked them honestly, and I just didn't like how it felt, and the results, you just have to leave it for such a long time. I never really liked the results, but this face wash is actually such a great option to get rid of that suntan and just get glowing, brighter skin.
So I have been using this face wash since the past few weeks, and I can definitely say that I have noticed a difference in my skin. First of all, this has licorice extract, which is a great anti-inflammatory agent. So this actually helps calm down my skin, and as you can see here, this has these tiny little beads that actually help gently exfoliate my face without stripping it off of its moisture. And it's a gel based cleanser, so that is like great for my combination to oily kind of skin. It really cleanses my skin really well and leaves my skin feeling fresh and has this cooling sensation as well. I genuinely love this a lot.
Highly recommend this, especially if you are an oily skin girly or a combination skin girly like me. This actually leaves your skin feeling so fresh, okay? And I did not experience any sort of breakout, so that's a win-win. I think the last thing that I would love to say about this is that this is a great product. If you're trying to detan your face, you should definitely give this a try. Highly recommend. You can shop this face wash or their products from their official website, Amazon, Tira, Nykaa and Myntra. Okay, so moving on to our actual video. So we are going to start with some skincare products, and the first thing that I want to talk about is a cleansing balm. Now you guys have seen this cleansing balm a lot of times on my channel, but yep, and I swear, do not judge me on this because I am just a girl, okay, living in this economy. I had to cut it up, okay? I really needed to cut it up because there was so much product inside which would go unused if I didn't cut it up and use it, literally guys. So this is the Deconstruct cleansing balm. Actually, this has been my staple cleansing balm for this year, but honestly you guys, it's completely empty. I've used it entirely up, but I don't think I'll be repurchasing this because recently I realized that it does burn my eyes sometimes, and it doesn't really take off the mascara that well. Like I always used to go in with a micellar water to get rid of my waterproof mascara, and honestly cleansing balm is actually supposed to remove your waterproof mascara and all of your waterproof makeup. That is why people use a cleansing balm and then a face wash, because double cleansing, but then this did not help with that at all. And if you want to remove mascara, oh my god, you have to really go in with this. I used to really love this, but when I realized that it does burn my eye, I don't know what happened to me. I just don't like this product that much anymore. But yeah, and they did reformulate this product. It was actually in a yellowish color previously, and it's now in a more whitish sort of color. But yeah, didn't really like it. Okay, if you want to cleanse your face, like use a cleansing balm for your face and not your eyes, maybe you can try this product. It's not that expensive or anything, it's quite affordable, so that's a great point about this product. But yeah, it does take off your sunscreen and rest of your face makeup very effectively, even lipsticks. But this did not pass with the mascara and the eye test, which literally made my eyes burn. So yeah, nope. This is not gonna be a repurchase from my side. Now next we have a sunscreen, and this is the sunscreen which I will be talking about. It's from Plum. It's their Cica and Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Light Sunscreen. You guys, this sunscreen, okay, Plum, why would you do this to me? Okay, anybody from Plum who is, if they are watching this video, I had such high expectations from this sunscreen and it just disappointed me so much. I am a huge Plum fan, okay, and when this did not work for me, you know, any Plum products, if it doesn't work out for me, I get so sad because I love Plum products and I'm always keeping up with the new releases. This did not work for me, guys. This left such a bad white cast and it's very like oily on my skin. I do have combination to oily skin. This did not help me, okay, honestly, with my skin, and it would make my skin even more oily, you know, after application. Like if I use it in the morning, by midday my skin gets so oily, okay, like it was just not very fun, and it has a very weird glue like smell. Like I can't really describe, but it does smell quite like glue, and I'm just not a big fan of the smell, honestly. Even though this is a fragrance free formula, I still like it smells like glue, okay. I don't want to use something on my face which smells like glue, but yeah, this did not work for me, and also it leaves such a bad white cast on my face, plus it makes my skin oily. This kind of disappointed me. Like Plum, please reformulate this. I really want this product to work out, but yeah, I was very excited for this and it just didn't work for me. Now the next product we have is a night cream, and it is the Conscious Chemist The Defender Peptide Retinol Night Cream. This freaking product, I do not know what these people have put in this, okay. I have completely emptied it. There is nothing. I struggle, like I think I'll cut this open as well, okay guys, like don't judge me, but yeah, I love this thing so much, literally. This, I don't know what it has in this. It has some sort of magic. It makes my skin so smooth the next morning whenever I use this at night before I sleep. It's an amazing product, okay. Now I won't recommend you using this product if you are under 20, but if you are 20 and above, obviously you can go use this. Especially if you're 25 and above, absolutely go use this, okay. Retinol is something which is really good for your skin, especially it helps with aging. So if you start using it from a kind of like an early age, you can actually get the most amount of benefit from retinol. So yep, this was a great product. You can definitely try this out. This does make my skin a little bit oily, but I genuinely don't mind it because it's at night, I'm gonna sleep anyways. But amazing product, highly recommend. You guys can definitely go try this out. Okay, so now that we are done with skin category, we are gonna move to hair category, and the first product I have from hair category is this shampoo. This is the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Shampoo. So this was actually recommended to me by my hairstylist because I had gotten this treatment done for my hair almost 1 year ago. Like I got it done last December. So I had to use some specific shampoos and this was one of those options, and I got this. This is such an amazing shampoo, guys. Like I cannot explain how well this worked for my hair, honestly. It cleansed my scalp very nicely, honestly, like is all I can say. Like there are a lot of good shampoos in the market and I do want to try those out, but this, like if I had to go back to a shampoo, it would be this. It was so good, honestly. My hair would feel like I got some treatment done every single time, and whenever I use this shampoo, okay, it actually does what it claims, at least on my hair, okay, because I have very like light wavy too straight hair. My hair is almost always straight. So this is supposed to make your hair smooth and straight. That is what it says on the product, that is what they claim with this product. But honestly, I think it did work for me really well. It lasted me quite a long time. It's a really good product. You can definitely try this out. Okay, so the next product I have is this hair serum from Lemon. I have completely used it up, like there is nothing inside this, literally. And this is their anti-frizz serum, and it's for all hair types. This is, you know, just to tame your frizz and make your hair smooth. This is overall a really good serum, honestly. Like a very, if you are someone who is looking for a very basic serum which is not going to be too expensive but it will also do the job, this is actually going to be a really good option for you. I would always reach for this product in my skincare vanity. Actually does what it says. It makes your hair frizz free and smooth. All a good product. You can definitely try this if you are looking for a good serum in a budget. Okay, so the next category we have is a body. Now I don't really have too many products. I only have 2 products in this, but the first product that we are going to talk about is this underarm roll-on. So this is from Be Body Wise. This is their 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on. I am almost out of this. Like there is nothing in this literally, and this is actually supposed to control your body odor. It is also supposed to reduce pigmentation, and I do think that it did work. Now let me tell you one thing, that is my underarms are actually white pigmented. Okay, I don't know why, but they are, and it's pretty normal. Honestly, a lot of people have pigmentation in their underarms because these are like tight places. These are, you know, your hands are always in this position and you sweat a lot. This is a tight place and that is prone to getting discolored. But yeah, this actually like did make some difference is what I can say, because my mom noticed it, so I can say that yeah, this did make a difference. And as for the body odor, this actually does help a lot with the body odor, but it will stay like, but it will keep the body odor away for around 5-ish hours. So yeah, and I think that is a pretty good, you know, duration for an underarm roll-on. Honestly, this worked like really great for me. I've used this I think the entire year. Like this worked, like this lasted me for like around 6 months. So yeah, this is a great product. And if you are looking for, you know, some sort of product which is gonna help with your like discoloration and pigmentation under your arm, and also helps with the, you know, body odor. Now I am someone who hates the smell of sweat, so obviously, like, you know, I am always on the lookout for underarm roll-on or some sort of, you know, deodorant stick which is going to help with the odor. I am a big, you know, smell good girly, so yep, smelling good does matter a lot to me, and this product was quite good. Honestly, I do recommend this. Okay, so the next product I have is actually a tester, but yeah, like I still used it up entirely. So it is the Plum Body Lovin' Body Oil Vanilla Vibes, and this body oil, if you want to smell like a dessert, okay, absolutely, like yum. This smells yum. Okay, this is such a sweet, like vanilla-y scent. Obviously it's vanilla vibes, it says vanilla vibes, it's like literally a vanilla scented like oil. This was actually really good. I absolutely loved it. Like there is a little bit which I can't actually get out from this product. There is such less amount left, but I can't get it out of this bottle. But anyways, I have used this entire thing, and honestly I never really liked sweet scents before, but this is the only sweet scent that I liked. And you know, I was using this, and I think there was one time when I had used this and I went out and I was like asked by so many people that what are you wearing, because you smell so good right now. And you know, the credit goes to this product right here. Even though it was really small, it lasted for like a really long time, because I did not use this and I kept it away because I was just scared of very sweet scents. But I have, like, you know, started liking sweet scents, and this is one of those products which I really like. And as for the oil, yes, it is a little bit like too oily for me, but I think that it kind of depends because of where I live right now. I live in Pune, and you know, as for me also, it depends on me as well. Like I do sweat a lot. I have very, you know, my body is always very hot in temperature. If you want to smell edible, okay, and you want to lock in hydration in your skin after your bath, and you want to try the body oil, this is the body oil you should try. So we are coming to the last section of this video, which is the lip category. Now as for the lip category, I have like 3 products. The first product has to be this. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy in Original Care. Now this is not exactly an empty, but as someone who has a problem with hoarding lip balms and like, you know, getting too many lip balms at the same time, I think me finishing and almost finishing this entire, you know, tub of this product, because it was a lot of product and I did not think that I would, you know, hit the pan on this, and I actually did, and I still use this every single night. Now a lot of people are gonna kind of maybe not agree with me on this, but this works as good as your Laneige lip sleeping mask. Trust me guys, if you use a thick layer of this, it's gonna heal your lips exactly the same way your Laneige lip sleeping mask does. Okay, now the Laneige one might feel a little bougie and, you know, like it smells good, it's really pink, or like there's some other colors and flavors. But honestly, I also have the pink version of this, but I will say the pink one does feel a little bit thinner than this. So if you are looking for a lip balm or like a lip mask, but you want it to be affordable and you want it to work like really well, I would definitely recommend this. I still use this every single night when I'm going to sleep. I will take a chunk of it and I'll just lather it all over my lips, and in the morning it's still there on my lips and I wake up with the most moisturized and hydrated lips. I genuinely I'm in love with this product, like, and it definitely did surprise me because I was not expecting that from this. I was like, yeah, Vaseline lip balm, whatever. No, the lip therapy, like this one, blew my mind. Definitely you can try this out. Okay, so next product is also in lip care category, and it's my trusty Lamel lip oil. This is the Lamel all-in-one tinted lip plumping oil, and it is amazing. Like, I have spoken about this multiple times on my channel. I don't think I need to say it again, honestly. This is an amazing product. It gives you that tint, it gives you that hydration. It actually feels like a lip oil and not like a lip gloss. It has such a glossy and nice texture, and I'm almost out of it. Okay, it's not like an empty yet, but yeah, look at that. It gives such a glossy, nice sheen to your lips. I absolutely love it. Now it does say that it's a plumping lip oil, but it does not have any sort of plumping effect, is all I can say to you. So if you are looking for that in this product, you will not get it. But if you are looking for a good lip oil which is gonna hydrate your lips and is gonna give that little bit of tint, go check this product out. Okay, you are gonna love this. This is actually like a lip oil, and I have, like I said, too many lip balms and lip oils and blah blah blah, so many things, okay, with like lip care especially. Nothing, I think this comes in like my top 3 lip care products. I love this so much. This might actually take the #1 spot, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Only thing is, for the amount of product you get in this, it's a little bit expensive, but honestly it is so worth it. Okay, I got this I think around March or April as far as I remember, like this year, and yep, I am almost out of it. As you can see, there's just very little amount left in the bottom, and I would absolutely repurchase this. I am waiting to repurchase this actually. So yeah, highly recommend. You can check this out. They also have a few shades, so yeah. Okay, the last product of the video is actually a lipstick, okay, which is like in lip category, but actually it also falls under makeup category, and it is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. I have been using this shade since forever, and it's kind of surprising when I almost finish a lipstick, because, you know, once again, I have a lot of lip products and I just never finish them. Okay, I have so many lipsticks and lip glosses. I have never, you know, finished a product. There was this one lipstick by Lakme which got discontinued, unfortunately, and I never found it again. This is the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Ulti Matte lipstick, and honestly this is such a pretty shade for any and every skin tone, in my opinion. Okay, now this might wash out very deep darker skin tones, but if you are someone who has beatish to like fair skin to medium skin tones, and even if you have like dusky skin, trust me guys, please try out this lipstick. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch to show you guys like how much I love this product. Look at the shade, it's such a beautiful shade. It is matte, but it's a very comfortable matte. It does not feel like, you know, it doesn't feel very heavy or, you know, dry on your lips. It is such a beautiful formula, and I have never come close to finishing a lipstick, but I came close. Like, this is the only amount of lipstick I have left in this. I've used up the entire product and I absolutely love this. This has to be one of my most worn shades, and people do actually ask me a lot which like shade of lipstick I'm wearing whenever I'm wearing this lipstick. But also has a little bit of nude undertones, right, like in there. So it's a very pretty like brick nude sort of shade. I absolutely love it. And you can also obviously like diffuse this, you can blend it out. And the Cupid bow, I do blend it out a little bit, and then also on the bottom of my lip. Literally the most beautiful lipstick I have used till date. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked my recommendations and my, you know, opinions on my empties of this month. If you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video.